Located between Dallas and Fort Worth, Grand Prairie offers the perfect blend of business accessibility and community growth. With a strong manufacturing and logistics presence, alongside retail, hospitality, and local services, it's a city where businesses of all kinds are built to grow. Whether you're running daily operations or planning for expansion, timing is everything. And when funding is delayed, opportunities are often missed. That's where New York Fast Funding comes in. We keep financing simple, quick approvals, transparent terms, and expert support every step of the way. If your business earns $10,000 or more per month and has been operating for 6 months or longer, you're already closer to getting funded. No credit checks, no piles of paperwork, just fast funding that fits your pace. Wherever you're growing in Grand Prairie, New York Fast Funding is here to help you move forward. Fast, easy, and reliable. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.